everyone. So we are in Honey second store in Kondapur. Today we are starting the store with a golden leg with a star couple, Anam and Asaduddin ji. So we thank ma'am, sir, for your first store presence and that. Okay, మన ఫస్ట్ స్టోర్ అశోకవన్ కూకట్పల్లిలో ఓపెన్ చేసాం హైదరాబాద్లో. ఆ స్టోర్ చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా రన్ అవుతున్నది అండ్ ఓకే సారీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అందరికీ స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మనము హనీ యొక్క కొత్త స్టోర్ ఓపెనింగ్లో ఉన్నాము కొండాపూర్లో. సో ఇది సెకండ్ స్టోర్. ఫస్ట్ స్టోర్ అశోక వన్ కూకట్పల్లిలో ఓపెన్ చేసాము. మేడం సార్ వచ్చారు అండ్ దాట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్ వెరీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ. అండ్ ఈ స్టోర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో న్యూ ఏజ్ పేరెంట్స్ కొన్న వెరీ ప్రీమియం ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఫర్ ది న్యూ ఏజ్ పేరెంట్స్, మోడర్న్ పేరెంట్స్ గురించి స్టాలర్స్, బెడ్స్ ఈ సెగ్మెంట్లో అ వెరీ ప్రీమియం స్టోర్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం అండ్ సార్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ అప్ హియర్ అండ్ ఓపెనింగ్ ద సెకండ్ స్టోర్. Thank you very much. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for coming. This is the second store of Honey that we are launching, and honestly, it's a product that we've been using since we had our baby. So we've literally been using it for already more than a year because that's how old our baby is. We have the stroller from here, we have the bassinet and the cot from here as well that we still use, and the products are amazing quality. Till today, my daughter, she still uses the stroller from here, and it kind of changes it. Almost all the products of Honey grow with the baby. So as the baby is growing, this grows with the baby as well, which is pretty amazing. The kind of quality of product is very, very premium, like he said. And for somebody like us who are new parents, for us this place is a paradise because it literally has everything that we need for our baby, from really good clothes to your strollers to cots to it's just amazing. They even have those huge cars that nowadays kids drive. So that's what we were just saying, it looks so nice, maybe we should get one. So it's absolutely amazing how Honey is growing, because when I first met them, they didn't have any of these offline stores, and now they are here, and we are so excited to be associated with them and for their second store here in Hyderabad. It looks lovely, and I hope it is doing better and better. With each store it gets better and better.
Yes.
So I think one thing that we can see is that the products here are extremely premium, but they are still very cost effective. So they are very well priced, and the quality is unmatched. I have used a lot of brands in India, but the quality that I get from Honey, from any of the products I get, is unmatched.
So this after this second store in Hyderabad, we'll be soon opening in next week in Pune, one of the premium malls. And next 2-3 months we'll be coming in major cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Jaipur, in the very premium malls. The plan is to cater premium customers, premium families, the premium products with cost effective, quality, safety, and very, very comfortable products. And all the metro cities, major cities will be coming up in the next couple of months. So the major products are baby cots, baby beds, baby strollers. In that products range, we have n number of varieties to choose for. So parents want more and more quality products with varieties, at the same time safety, at the same time pricing. All that fitting into one store, one destination. Parents gets, that's the unique USP of Honey, which you don't get in any other stores.
You can
Thank the team of Honey to inviting me and Anam over here. So so basically as parents, you want the best for your child, and especially when the child is growing, you're so, as new parents, you're so concerned and you're so excited, getting into every single detail of the product, what are you buying, you're comparing stuff to other stuffs and everything. So that's how we came across Honey, and I must say that the products are really good over here, and they're durable, they're safe, and most of the products like the stroller and all has lot of storage and all, which becomes very handy for us
So
to
for Asa, this stroller space is very important because when we go to the mall shopping, he has to store the bags. So it's very important for him.
It's the opposite actually. As everyone know, like women shop more than men. So I think everyone agrees. But yeah, so I would like to congratulate everyone, and I hope the store does amazing. And my best wishes to everyone, and all the best to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.